What's up guys, it's LeetCoder. This is LeetCode 9, palindrome number. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome integer. An integer is a palindrome when it reads the same backward as forward. 121 is a palindrome while 123 is not. And they consider negative numbers not palindromes as well. All we're doing is comparing digits on the left side of the integer with digits on the right side of the integer. And we just keep going, incrementing by 1 until we reach the center. If we reach any two digits that are not the same, we return false. Otherwise, we return true. Okay, let's write our algorithm here. First, we're going to convert x to a string. So we'll say stir x. We're going to define our left pointer and our right pointer. Okay. And then while the left is less than the right, if stir x at left does not equal stir x at right, return false. Now we increment left to go toward the center. We decrement right to go toward the center. And then at the end, we return true. If we've reached the end of the loop and we haven't returned false yet, we just return true. Let's run our code. And boom, we get the right answer. Let's submit here. And we got the right answer. And it's faster than 86% of submissions. Now, you can make this very simple with Python. The Pythonic way of solving this problem is to just check the string and check if the string equals the reverse of itself. So all we do is we return if the string equals the string reversed. This is how you reverse a string in Python. Let's run our code and submit. And boom, that's the Pythonic really simple way of doing it. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and a subscribe because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. Let me know down in the comments if there's any video you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next time.